India, 1951. Fresh from independence, the constitution faces its first major test. Shankari Prasad versus Union of India. This landmark case challenged Parliament's power to amend the constitution, specifically concerning fundamental rights. The controversy began with zamindars challenging the Bihar Land Reforms Act, claiming it violated their property rights under the constitution. Zamindars argued the act infringed upon their fundamental rights to property, specifically Articles 19(1)(f) and 31. In response to court battles across high courts, Parliament enacted the Constitution First Amendment Act of 1951. While Allahabad and Nagpur upheld the reforms, the Patna High Court initially struck the Bihar Land Reforms Act down as unconstitutional. The First Amendment introduced Articles 31A, protecting land acquisition laws, and 31B, introducing the Ninth Schedule for immunity. Shankari Prasad then petitioned the Supreme Court under Article 32, challenging the validity of this constitutional amendment itself. The first key issue was whether the term law in Article 13(2), which bars rights abridging laws, includes constitutional amendments. The second issue asked if Parliament, acting under Article 368, has the power to amend or curtail the fundamental rights guaranteed in Part 3. The entire debate centered on the difference between ordinary legislative power and the superior constituent power of amendment. The petitioners argued that amendments are a form of law, and Article 368 is merely procedural, not granting the power to remove fundamental rights. The respondents countered that law only means ordinary legislation, and Article 368 grants unlimited constituent power essential for social reforms like abolishing zamindari. Chief Justice Kania delivered the unanimous judgment, focusing on reconciling the potentially conflicting articles of the Constitution. The court applied the doctrine of harmonious construction, finding that Articles 13 and 368 must coexist without rendering Article 368 useless. The judgment clearly separated ordinary legislative law from the superior constituent power used in amendments, concluding Article 13 only applies to the former. On October 5, 1951, the Supreme Court delivered a unanimous judgment, validating the First Amendment Act. The case established that Parliament's amending power under Article 368 was supreme and could extend to Part 3 fundamental rights. This verdict was crucial, paving the way for essential land reforms and enabling Parliament to evolve the Constitution for social justice. Shankari Prasad harmonized constitutional rigidity with the need for change, confirming that constituent power triumphs in amendment disputes. While monumental, this ruling was later refined by the Golaknath and Kesavananda Bharati cases, which introduced limitations like the basic structure doctrine.